Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Juliet. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a smoked Ankara off-shoulder dress. Here I have my fabric folded into two, and the length I took out 4 inches, and I also added extra 2 for folding. And for the width I used the highest measurement, which is the hip, divided by 4 plus extra 5 inches. I did the same for both the front and the back. Here I'm placing the front and the back on top of each other. I'll first mark the extra 5 inches I added from the center point all the way down. All of my measurements are going to be starting from that 5 inches mark. So I'll be starting with the shoulder. I'll divide the shoulder into 2, subtract 2 inches from it, and add another ½ inch for allowance. That's what I'm marking here. Then I'll mark 4 inches down from that point and then connect the armhole like that. Next I'll place my tape from 4 inches like this, and then mark my half length and my hip line, which is 24 inches. Then I'll mark my quarter of my bust measurement at this point, and then quarter of my waist measurement at this point, and then quarter of the hip. I have exactly that because that was what I used to fold. So I'll be connecting the lines like so. For the down part, it's going to be the same with the hip, like that. So next I'll be cutting out like so. So that's it for the body of the dress. Here I have my sleeve pieces on fold. I added extra 4 inches to the sleeve round, and also extra 2 inches to the length of the sleeve. So I'm going to be marking the extra 4 inches that I added on this point all the way down. All my measurements will start from that line. So it's an off shoulder sleeve. What I do is I add my front and back neckline together and subtract what the answer I got from around the shoulder, and what I have is what I share for the two sleeves. So folded into 2, I marked that here, and then I placed my dress on that point and traced out the armhole like so, and then I marked the round of my sleeve on the down part here, and I connect to that point. And I cut. So I'm going to take all these pieces to the machine to fold the down and the upper part, the sleeve and the main dress. So I have folded all the pieces, the upper part and the down part, main dress and the sleeves. So here is my elastic thread. Right, I'm going to roll it on my railer or bobbin. So what you do is try not to stretch it. Not try, make sure you don't stretch it at all. Just allow it flow the way it is, gently, 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 like so. Then fix it into your railer like you would do, into your shuttle, like you would do a normal thread. So over to the machine, you're going to start sewing. Your upper thread is going to be your regular sewing thread. So you're going to make stitches straight across the pieces leaving about 1/4 inch or half or 3/4 inch space in between each line. Whatever you want. I just feel like 1 inch will be too much. So as you're sewing, you have to stretch it out. Stretch out while you sew, so you don't have a dress that is smaller than your size. Yeah, just stretch it out as you make your lines, and you're going to do this on all the pieces top to bottom. You can see it's coming together already, and this is just the second line.
One eternity later.
So after sewing all the pieces, this is what they are looking like. I forgot to mention that as you're sewing, your right side should be facing up. The elastic thread should show only on the inside. So next up, I'm going to locate the upper parts of the dress, and here I'm matching the armholes together. So I'm placing right sides on top of each other, front and back, and then I'm going to go and sew the side seams together with about half of an inch. So I'll pin them in place, then sew from that armhole point down using ½ inch for the main dress, and then for the sleeve I just fold them together, right sides to right side, and I'll go and sew with ½ inch as well. So after joining the side seams, this is what we have. So I'm turning it to the right side right now. This is for the dress. So it's looking. Then for the sleeve, this is what the sleeve is looking like as well. So next up, I'll be joining the sleeve to the body of the dress. I'm going to first of all match the side seams together, side seam of the sleeve and side seam of the dress. Then I'll pin all the way around, as you can see. So after pinning, I'll take it to the machine and sew with ½ inch allowance. Yeah, that is it for one sleeve. See how it's coming out already. I do the same for the second sleeve. Match the side seams first, and then pin all the way to that side and all the way to the other side, and then I'll go and sew, and the dress is almost ready. So after attaching the sleeve to the dress, this is what we have. The dress came out really nice and my clients loved it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.